Alright, where we going? Where are we going?
We just go to the same spot, bro. We go to the same spot, bro. Same spot.
Same spot.
Same spot, bro.
Alright. Same spot it is.
5 seconds. Stand by to deploy.
Who knows if they can, but, you know. Type 1 for racist.
Damn. But we have no armor.
What?
Oh, never mind.
Oh. But that would have been
Oh,
trash, bro. That would have been trash.
Oh, wait. I
That would've
thought
been
he had
straight
no armor for a
trash,
second. Hey, good thing it loaded.
Wait. Oh, God.
Where we going? Mark. 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 Jesus. Back there? All the way down there, bro? Holy shit.
You gotta drop a little bit to get your guy to.
Yeah, there's people going down
Why
there
is
for
my...
sure.
Oh, there.
There's people going down there. Yeah, there's a dude going down there. I see him.
Enemy here.
Dude right here.
Enemy.
There's a dude down there. Is that you?
I just landed.
There's a dude in the building. I think.
What one?
One of these buildings. I think. If you're the one that landed there.
No, I didn't land there. So there's a dude over there?
I think. Because
I don't see him, bro.
okay then. Do you play armor vest here?
Hmm?
If you want one.
Well, I need to clean my GPU.
Is it dirty?
Probably. I haven't cleaned it since I got the PC. It's been like 2 months. I should be cleaning it.
Yeah.
It's due for a cleaning now.
Another 3 armor plates right here.
My keyboard was just acting weird there for a second, bro. I was non-stop walking forward, bro. I don't understand. Am I like really loud?
No idea.
Well, my keyboard's
Hostile
acting
UAV in the
stupid.
area.
Oh, I found my hit button.
Nice.
It's my 4th key on my mouse.
Good.
It's fourth button.
Oh! Is that you? Jesus.
Yeah. Scare you?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah, I am. Ooh. What got me too?
That's a good M4 right there, boy.
Stronghold located. Targets are marked under attack.
Tom, come here.
Enemy
I don't know
UAV
if that's a.
active.
I'm getting the Tark gun. What the hell are you doing?
Sorry. I accidentally set something on my mouse.
Fuck, man.
Here.
Dropping ammo.
I got mutation. Okay, why not? Thank you.
Oh, I needed to reload, bro. I had no sniper rifle.
MX9.
Well, I had AR. It was like 30 shots. Oh, there's somebody way out there, bro.
Where? Mark?
He definitely heard it, because he dropped.
You shooting at?
We need to move.
Yeah, of course we do. Wait, we're in circle.
So what, bro? I just popped loud shots off, bro. You really want to sit here? Bro, let's go up
Nah.
on this, bro.
Watching this
Your
sector.
team
Of course, we're going back to.
Bro, we actually got a pretty good spot. We can storm hold people.
Dude, you want me to stay down like last time or what?
What do you mean stay down?
Like stay down like the first, like down here, in
No.
one of the buildings,
No.
like last time.
No, because if there's two people and you start shooting at them, they're gonna run up here.
Oh, wait, we have a smoke up here. Smoke grenade.
I'll hold that. So if there is two people that jump up here, bro, we could get out of here, bro.
Oh yeah, plus I got a munitions box if you run out of ammo. So
Keep an eye out for people. Let me know if you see people.
okay.
I'm gonna crack open my Mountain Dew.
I don't see anybody. Right there.
Hmm.
Behind the wall, Kyle.
I seen that.
Dude, look. His boy's right there, his boy right there. Dude right there. Dude's right there. Dude right there. He's running. He's like fucking dying like a little bitch. Yes. Oh, he hit him. Go.
Watch that.
All right.
Get him, Thomas, right there.
Bro,
Did you really just let him wipe both of us?
Bro.
Oh, because his buddy was inside, bro.
Huh?
He got his buddy up.
Wait, you downed him?
Yeah, I downed one of them. That's why I jumped after him.
Kobe. Shit.
His buddy got up. Oh, God, I see one already.
Someone better die.
Ow. What's that? Ah, I'm dead. Fuck his teammates on the right. He's going up.
Oh!
Fought hard
I hate
out
this
there.
goddamn pistol!
Base for free. You took a
Huh.
beating. Back to base with you.